Most wellness brands in the US think the only way to scale past 5,000 is to spend more, but they are wrong. We took a health and wellness client selling high-ticket infrared saunas and detox system from a struggling $5,000 in terms of monthly sales at the ROAS of barely 1.9 to over $56,000 in terms of revenue with a massive 10x ROAS in just 60 days. The best part, we didn't just throw the money at the problem, we have fixed the broken strategy that was making them bleed cash. Same website, same product, the only change was the strategy. Here is exactly how we did it. Welcome to Softtrix, friends. My name is Amy and today I am sharing Google Ads tricks that will help your business dominate your market. And these are not just plain tricks. I will provide you with the exact steps that help one of our clients get the optimum results. So now let's begin our case study, where our client was targeting the health and wellness niche with multiple products getting delivered all across the US. Their catalog included the detox system, whole body vibration machines, infrared saunas, and supplements, beauty and recovery products. All these products have strong demand and high intent. Yet the ads were far from healthy. In fact, it was bloody, full of cuts and bleeding money. They had only one default Performance Max campaign with no product targeting, no merchant center, and no tracking. Basically, they were just relying on Google's automation with the broad audience and minimal effort, making them stuck at 5,000 in terms of sale with the below average ROAS of 1.9x. But the client knew this was far from the potential of their business. They knew they needed growth, clarity, and most importantly, a system that could scale profitably. That's when they looked for the best PPC experts and found our content. The rest was easy. They actually booked a phone call and explained their story, and after listening to them carefully, we knew exactly what was missing: structured tracking and a real strategy. Upon gaining access to their Google AdWords account, the first step was, as usual, a deep audit, and the audit confirmed what we have suspected. The campaigns was running blindly, budgets were being spent without any product segmentation, no proper audience targeting, there was no understanding of which products were driving the sales. Without merchant center integration, Google could not properly showcase its product catalog, and without GA4 and GTM tracking, the client could not measure conversions accurately. It was a classic case of automation without direction. These are the mistakes that rookies commit. We came up with a clear plan of action. The first priority was to fix the foundation. We have set up the merchant center correctly, ensuring all products were uploaded, categorized, and optimized with accurate titles, descriptions, and the pricing. This allowed Google to recognize the full catalog and serve the ads dynamically across shopping, display, YouTube, and the search. Next, we have repaired their GA4 and the GTM tracking so every click, conversion, and sale could be measured. This gave the client full visibility into performance and allowed us to make data-driven decisions. This has fixed the foundation for us. So now the next step was restructuring campaigns. Instead of relying on one broad Performance Max campaign, we have created multiple campaigns segmented by product categories: detox system, vibration machines, saunas, supplements, beauty products. Each product line had its own budget, targeting, and tailored ad creatives. Even the audience signals were refined, increasing the focus on high-intent users who were actively searching for a wellness solution. Even tracking was optimized to track not only page views but also conversion metrics like the actual purchases and the revenue. At last, it was a time to rewrite those generic and uninspiring ad copies. What we did was simply highlighting the unique selling points. That is the FDA certified infrared saunas, powerful made in USA detox system, premium supplements, and fast shipping with free delivery on orders over $150. We have even emphasized trust, quality, and exclusivity, which are the key to success in the health and wellness market. We have also added the site links to showcase featured collections like the Ionic Detox, Whole Body Vibration, and Vital Health supplements, giving the users more option to explore directly from the ad. So in the second month, we took the optimization to the next level. We began segregating the campaign based on the performance, identifying which ones were delivering the results and which ones were draining budget without the conversions. This allowed us to double down on the performing campaigns while cutting out the inefficiencies. Also, the audience groups were tested strategically, and instead of broad signals, we built campaigns around the search themes, in-market audiences, custom keywords lists, and even competitor audiences. This gave us sharper targeting and ensured the ads were reaching the people with a genuine purchase intent. To elevate our performance, we have analyzed the results across different regions to identify which locations were driving the profitable sales and which were consuming spend without the returns. Non-performing locations were excluded, allowing us to concentrate the budget where it mattered the most. In addition, we have tested a remarketing campaign using the audiences who had previously interacted with our website, including the cart abandoners and the checkout users. By implementing these step-by-step strategies, we have been able to refine the targeting and maximize efficiency. So now, doing so much optimization was bound to give the results soon, and in barely 2 months, sales skyrocketed to $56,000 with a ROAS of 10.06x. That's a massive jump from the initial $5,000 baseline. This was the proof that the structured campaigns, precise targeting, and continuous testing can unlock the exponential growth. Even the client was thrilled with this transformation, seeing their business scale in ways they had not imagined possibly. And we did not stop at Google Ads. To actually diversify the growth, we also began testing out the new social media campaigns, setting up the new structures to drive sales from platform beyond search. This multi-channel approach ensured that the business was not just dependent on one source of traffic but had a broader, more sustainable funnel for the revenue. The journey from $5,000 in terms of sales at 1.9 ROAS to $56,000 in terms of sales at 10 times the ROAS in just 2 months shows what's possible when the campaigns are being managed by experts using precision, data-driven decision making, and a pinch of creativity. This is what we did in the health and wellness niche, and we have done it for more than 5,000 clients across various industries and cities like Ohio, New York, Los Angeles, and others in our 17-year-long career. So now, if you have a business that needs a solid strategy to grow using the Google AdWords, Meta ads or other paid campaigns, just send us your website and the budget details on WhatsApp right away. We will get back to you with the right solution for specifically your industry. Finally, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more success stories and the digital marketing insights. You were watching Softtrix and we will see you in the next video.